I'm just gonna drink a pineapple juice. Oh man, I fixed my tank also, my Tamiya. I know it's broken those wheels. I said it. I'm gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, do not say bad words. Even you, Teacher Alexandro Pagkalinawan, do not say about ISIS. Both of you are terrorists. If I say to you, if 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 Jerick Silva had talked to Joseph Maspinas, if they know about the address of Teacher Alex or address of Mark Cruz in San Pedro Laguna and Cainta Rizal, I'm sure they might get sued. Oh, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. I'm telling you, you have no friends. That's why Jerick Silva told me you curses lots of random foul languages. And you cursing me a bad words. Totally. As you can see, my former enemy and my ally, Juan Carlo Pabale, had already distrusted you. Even Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan had been unfriended by Teacher JD. Oh, she was unfriended by Rafa Soco. Oh, as you can see, and then Teacher Junin Bacta that unfriended Teacher Alex or Ate Mel or Ate Dina as well in Facebook. They unfriended you. You have no friends, Teacher Alex. Even you, Mark Cruz, you don't have friends. Both of you are bullies. However, I've been talk with Jerick Silva in TikTok Live. Even I'm just saying, TikTok Live has lots of messages. Mark Cruz and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Both of you should never say bad words. Meta had prohibited the bad words. Oh, Instagram. I'm just saying. Because they prohibited. If I were say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, if we are autism, we should not say bad words. I know you are ADHD. Me, I'm ADHD. Or Jerick Silva, ADHD. Why you even say bad words? Let me ask you something, Mark Domingo Cruz. If I talk with Kuya Bear, if I talk to Roydan Marlang, what is the cause of the bad words? Is this a teachings of Jesus to say bad words? You should never even say bad words in Instagram, Mark Cruz. Even I saw your tweet in X. I mean, not in tweet. I mean, I saw your tweet in Instagram, in thread. You're saying about bad words. At least I'm the one who's a witness. Who was a witness against Mark Cruz. I just want to send all the evidence. I'm ready to file the cases against Mark Cruz. While me, I'm saying, I am ready to file the cases against Mark Cruz. And the witness anyway, it will be Juan Carlo Pabale. Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. That's why this is why I talk with Jerick Silva via interview. Juan Carlo Pabale, I've been distrusted you. Because, you say bad words many times. Random of bad words. And you calling him an asshole. You call him F word. And you called, what is that Marcos says? Motherfucker word. That's an insult. You know, Marcos, you don't know about oral defamation. If I ask Manuel Luis Antonio's brother, Nico Antonio, oh, he's an actor. If I meet him in personal, oh, even Manuel Luis Antonio's family members were long-time lawyer. You don't know about cyber libel, oh. If I talk to Manuel Luis Antonio's lawyer, I will file the cases against Mark Cruz. Totally. You know, Mark Cruz, if Juan Carlo Pabale sue against you, Mark Cruz, if Juan Carlo Pabale had reported to Ben Tulfo, I'm sure all the evidence, what he's saying, just like I said before, may mamatutulpo ka pa, Mark Cruz. You know, you say bad words. Everyone are saying, you're saying bad words. You're saying about profanity. Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. If you ask Paula Nunez, oh, Paula, I say to you, is this a guy named Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz who's saying bad words in social media? I'm just saying, you know, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Cruz, I am not happy with your bad words. Even I don't like your profanity words. And this time, you know, Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. Do not say bad words. I fixed my Tamiya tank for 48 hours. I was not using Thread or Instagram. I was busy in building my Tamiya T55 tank. What about you, Mark Cruz? Why did you build any kind of cars? Toyota Supra, Lego? You're such a fool, Mark Cruz. You're such an envy, and you know, you have lots of stuffed toy like was that Susiyu, that the Twice. You have items of stuffed toy or K-pop. At least Teacher May, the turnies, had lots of stuffed toy of K-pop. Unlike Mark Cruz, lots of it. And not even just that, he has a collection of die-cast cars. And that's why JD Sagala had insulted Mark Cruz. Bakla. That's why. Because Mark Cruz is really gay. I'm telling you, folks, don't believe it na Mark Cruz profanity. All of his profanity are insult. That's why I suggest to Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano, if both of you have Instagram, block Marky Boom Boom 814. Even Ronald Rebena, Rafa Soco, Carlos Kanahashi, Sir Andre Morales, the friend of Jerick Silva, even who else the friends and followers of Mark Cruz. Who else? The followers. Nigel Ernesto de Veria. If you're watching this, do not trust Mark Cruz. He's saying bad words. That's why Wawel Romero criticized you. You're saying bad words. Charmaine Aloyan had criticized you. Or Ate Charmaine Aloyan, I mentioned. She criticized your bad words. It's not good to say bad words, Mark Cruz.